Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, if you need to fix something, I'm the world's biggest fan of YouTube. However, for fixing things, sometimes it's better to just look at a photograph, a still photo, instead of watching a 30-minute video somebody's rambling on. I found a site called FIXIT. I needed to fix my camera. This is my camera. It's a Canon S100. This is one of the best pocket cameras I've ever had. When I bought it refurbished on Canon, and I liked it so much I purchased another one in case it ever broke. It broke. the the screen cracked. So I said, I'm a smart guy. I'm going to get out my spare. So I got it out, and within a couple months, the lens stopped working. It wouldn't retract, and so I looked up, it was $50 to replace the lens and $20 to repair buy a screen. So I bought a screen, and I started looking at the videos. I said, let me see what they have on Google for the just websites. I found this site called Fixit, and they have tons of different guides, and they're pretty cool. Uh, where is the screen? Go in here. You can go step by step, but the cool thing is you can actually, like if you get to a part you quite can't make out, you can click on it and you get a large screen, which you can't get in somebody's video. And when it comes time to uh, put it back together, you just follow the steps in reverse. Although, God help me, I still ended up with a screw left over. I'm a freaking magician. I don't know. I can't. I would say it because I'm getting old, but I've always done this. I don't know what's the matter with me. But I saved myself a lot of money. I'm back in business. The last 300 videos on YouTube I made with my Canon S100. It's a great little camera. I love it. So long story short, if you need to fix something, instead of looking on YouTube, check out Fixit or iFixit. I'll leave a link in the video description. Also, it was really handy to have the right tools. I purchased this in 2018. It's got a lot of tons of little screwdrivers and bits and so on, but it's got some really neat little plastic, they call them spudgers or something, that help you remove parts or reconnect parts. And it's got some good tweezers. I would not have been able to repair the camera without this tool set. It was only, I think it was like, what was it, 24 bucks. Also, because you can never have enough light, even with my reading glasses I wore this, these cost me like, was 8 or 9 bucks uh, way back in 2013. They might be a couple dollars more now, but that's very handy to have too. I'll leave links for them in the video description. But the main thing I want you to know is if you need to fix something like your GoPro or your phone or something, go look up fix it. I mean, I'm not saying don't look at the videos on YouTube. I mean, I live on YouTube, but sometimes it's really handy to have step by step with the photographs that are real clear and easy to see. I just thought something might be helpful if you're fixing stuff or you need to fix stuff. I'm going to be fixing my lens next. I've got to pay like 50 bucks to get a new one, but it's still worth it so I can continue to have my cameras. All right, guys, I hope this is something helpful to you. And watch my videos, my channel. I put new stuff on every week. This is not my regular video for the week. This is just something extra. All right, guys, I'm Ram here. Take care, and try not to have any screws loose when you're finished. All right.